Hello viewers. Welcome to my channel NK Creations TN. Explore Chattisgarh. History. Chattisgarh was formed on November 1, 2000, from the eastern portion of Madhya Pradesh, with Raipur as its capital. Chattisgarh has a rich history dating back to ancient times, with evidence of human settlements found in the region from the Stone Age. Freedom fighters Veer Narayan Singh, Rani Durgavati, and Shaheed Veer Narayan Singh are prominent figures in Chattisgarh's freedom struggle. The state has a legacy of brave individuals who fought against British colonial rule. Economic condition. Chattisgarh's economy is primarily driven by agriculture, mining, and power generation industries. The state has witnessed significant industrial growth in recent years, contributing to its economic development. GDP. Chattisgarh's gross domestic product, GDP, ranks among the top in India, largely due to its mineral-rich resources. The state's GDP growth reflects its economic progress and potential for further expansion. Population. Chattisgarh has a diverse population, with various ethnicities and cultures coexisting harmoniously. The state's population growth rate has been steady, contributing to its socio-economic dynamics. Education. Chattisgarh has made significant strides in education, with initiatives to improve literacy rates and educational infrastructure. The state offers various educational opportunities, including schools, colleges, and universities. Tourist places. Bastar, Chitrakoot Falls, and Serpa are popular tourist destinations in Chattisgarh. The state boasts picturesque landscapes and historical sites that attract visitors from around the world. Wildlife. Chattisgarh is home to diverse wildlife, including tigers, leopards, and elephants, in its various national parks and sanctuaries. Conservation efforts in the state have helped preserve its rich biodiversity. Climate. Chattisgarh experiences a subtropical climate, with hot summers and mild winters, making it suitable for agriculture. The state's climate varies across regions, influenced by its geographical diversity. Festivals. Dussehra, Bastar Dussehra, and Rajam Kum are among the major festivals celebrated with great fervor in Chattisgarh. The state's festivals reflect its cultural heritage and traditions. Food. Chattisgarhi cuisine includes delicacies like barbasi, muthia, and chowsala, known for their unique flavors and ingredients. The state's cuisine reflects its cultural diversity and culinary traditions. Overview. Chattisgarh, nestled in the heart of India, captivates with its tapestry of history, culture, and natural splendor. The state's charm lies in its ability to blend tradition with progress, creating a dynamic and inviting atmosphere.
Thanks for watching. nkcreations.tn. Kindly please subscribe and comment.
Created by Yuva.